Okay guys, I'm back, and still have some paint left, and I'm going to do a one with cells in it, of course. We're going to add some silicone to our paint. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. I'll just use the one that Vallejo made. It's sort of the same that I have. It's pure silicone, so it will sell. So we're gonna stir that in. Did I put some in here? Yeah, I did. We're putting it in all colors, and we'll have a lot of paint, but I'm only going to do one little pour. I do think I want some more of that. Just a tiny bit. See, I pre-mix my paints too, and the colors I use a lot. I do 1 liter, and the colors I don't use that much. I do 250 milliliters, but it really works out. I have a feeling that it works better. So it's 15 by 15. It's not really that big, but I'm going to put in all the colors that I have. Yep. And the dark brown on both sides, and the turquoise on both sides. A little bit there, a little bit there, and a tiny little bit extra of the very pretty Naples yellow and titanium white. And there we go. Turn it around, give it a go like that. Just let it level, and you'll see within sort of 30 seconds I torch it. Because otherwise your silicone will already be on top, and then there won't be much to torch. But I'm gonna throw that over, and that one, because I want some nice big cells. That's really pretty. Not too much. Let's pull that down there. Pull that down there. Gotta make sure that everything is nicely covered. A little bit here. Oops, I need some blue for that. There it is. I like the turquoise and the orange. It sort of makes it really pretty. Now I have a lot of paint on the table. Got to make sure that I don't really get too much on the back of it. There we go. Cleaning off my little gloves, because I want to do something extra. I'm going to put some little glitters on there, but I'm going to do it differently than I normally do. I'm going to take off the whole lid if I can. Yep, I can. And I'm going to take them out with this little bamboo stick, and I'm going to put, ooh, that's a little bit too much. I think I can work with that though. Just up there. And another one down there. Down here. So just on one side I want some of that glitter. Let's put the cap back on. Now, because of the way it falls into the paint, it really sticks to the paint right away. But what we do want is that we still see those nice shapes. So we're gonna have to help it along a little bit. There it goes, that's pretty. You can't see it, but I am exactly in the place where the light shines on top of it, so I exactly see where it is. There we go. A little bit too much here. There we go. And this is still pretty much round. We don't want big blotches of round glitter. This is going to work nicely. As you can see, just a little bit there, a little bit of gold. I really think I might want to add just a little bit more. Now I have a feeling it's a little bit out of balance. What you do want to do is just step back sometimes, just a little bit, just to see if it's in balance. And if not, you can always add a little bit more. A little bit there, a little bit there, and a little bit there. Yeah, that's better. So we're going to pull that in. And a little bit down there. That's it. That's more than enough. Then when this is all dry and you varnish it, that'll all really intensify the colors and it'll all come back together. So that looks pretty cool. It does. And I would really like to show you the weather, because the weather is so depressing. Sometimes I don't understand that I can keep a little bit cheerful. I do want to use this before everyone panics and says, "Oh, all the paint on the table." That's such a waste. I know it's a waste, but you can't have everything. And of course, this is the thin paint that I do that feathery stuff with. So it is a little thinner than I normally use, but kind of works, doesn't it? You never know what you can take out of it for jewelry or something else. So I'm going to give it a tiny little shine. No more than that. Just a little bit. And I'll show it to you in the light. I'm not sure if you can see it. See that? It just gives it that... Oops, now I'm moving it way too much. But it gives it a little shimmer. That's nice. I might even torch it. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this once it's dry. Never know what happens. Okay, people, this is video number 3 for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do something different. I'm not really sure. I'm thinking about resin. I might do a resin piece, but on the other hand, I might do jewelry. But I'm also thinking about watercolor. Oh, I'm gonna show you the watercolors. I made one of those swatch things with all the colors that you can get. That might be nice for you guys to look at. Okay, guys, love you all to pieces. Have a beautiful Saturday and spend it with your family. Have some fun. And oh, wait a minute, look what happened. I'm just seeing it right now. Let's see, can you see that there? Oh, I don't want to tilt it too much, but where the cells popped up, it pushed the gold away. Now I have veins of glitter. Wow, that is so cool. No, you can't see it. There you go. Oops. Now I don't want to move it too much. I'll show it to you when it's dry. But that is awesome. That has possibilities. Now I have all these veins of glitter and, you know, the cells popping up in the middle. That's really cool. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, because this is the last one for today. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. Hou voor jullie allemaal. See you in the next one.